Alright guys, what's up? Sears, and gotta make a video of these, but this one did not turn out. This is burnt up, but of course this one works. We got some attachments. You got your little tool. It's broke. I'm not sure what happened. Got your little stitch on. Okay. To the dust brush. Here. Closer. Dash. Short hooves. Yeah. Whatever. What are these ones? What's on the vacuum? Some switch. I guess it's your adjustments to turn. Raise it up. Get a little carpet. On off. Got some bag. I took this bag out this one because it's burned up. And you can see it's dusty on the inside. I put it back in. And filter, it's just dirty. Alright. There you go. Keep it high. So that does nothing till I'm about to run over here. Yes. I don't know what's good about it. So here's I'm gonna test the vacuum over here. What's up, guys?
What's up, bro?
No buts. Recording? Oh, the video. I guess here's some test it over here. Now, test this machine on here. Here's a Hoover wind. I don't know what's like. Fuck. Hoover. Oh, who cares what happened? Oh, there's another. There we go.